Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major entry into the recreational vehicle industry would be marked by the fictitious 2026 Honda Motorhome, which would offer a distinctive fusion of Japanese high-tech luxury with Honda's well-established reputation for dependability, clever engineering, and user-centric design. This car would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be an elegant mobile home that reflected Honda's dedication to both innovation and functionality. From the outside, the 2026 Honda Motorhome would probably have a sleek, contemporary appearance that would depart from the conventional RV's frequently boxy forms. One may expect a design that puts aerodynamics first, which would help with fuel economy and make the ride quieter. Honda would have a unified and appealing presence on the road thanks to its distinctively understated yet sharp lines, which may be reminiscent of their current automotive and even aeronautical endeavors. While integrated, discrete storage solutions would preserve a clean exterior profile. Large, well-designed windows would optimize natural light and provide panoramic views. LED lighting would highlight its high-tech qualities for both ambient external accents and road illumination. The interior would reveal Japanese high-tech luxury in its purest form. Honda is known for using space creatively, and this motorhome would definitely demonstrate that skill. Living spaces that are adaptable and modular would make it simple to switch between sleeping, dining, and relaxing arrangements. High-end textiles, integrated smart surfaces, and woods from sustainable sources are just a few examples of the materials that would be carefully selected for their quality, robustness, and tactile appeal. The design philosophy would emphasize clean lines and a clutter-free space that encourages rest and well-being, with a tendency toward minimalist elegance. The living area would be seamlessly equipped with technology. Climate, lighting, entertainment, and connectivity would all be controlled by a single, user-friendly control system. A futuristic and simple user experience would be provided by voice activation, touchscreens, and possibly even motion controls. High-quality audio, reliable internet connectivity, and sophisticated infotainment systems would guarantee that residents are amused and productive while on the go. Additionally, Honda's proficiency in robotics and automation may result in cutting-edge features like self-deploying awnings, automated leveling systems, or even clever storage options that maximize space with no effort. A sturdy and dependable chassis, probably created with Honda's vast powertrain engineering skills, would support this opulent and advanced exterior. Even on lengthy trips, the focus would be on a comfortable, quiet, and seamless ride, possibly utilizing cutting-edge suspension technology. In line with Honda's long-term environmental objectives, fuel efficiency, a Honda hallmark, would be a crucial factor, perhaps achieved through advanced hybrid powertrains or perhaps the investigation of hydrogen fuel cell technology. With a full suite of Honda Sensing TM cutting-edge driver assistance technologies tailored for a larger car, safety would be of first importance, giving the driver and passengers peace of mind. To sum up, the 2026 Honda Motorhome, a symbol of Japanese high-tech luxury, would be more than just a car. It would be a mobile haven of comfort, creativity, and sophisticated functionality that would provide a genuinely remarkable experience for today's tourists.